Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to deploy a website from Replit in 2026. So, if you've finished building your website and want to make it available online, Replit provides a straightforward way to publish your project. First, sign in to your Replit account and open the website project you want to deploy. Before publishing, make sure your site runs correctly inside the workspace preview. Next, click the Run button and test all important pages, links, forms, and features. Yeah, it's a good idea to fix any issues before starting the deployment process. Once everything is working properly, locate the Deploy or Deployment option in your Replit workspace. Click it to open the deployment settings. After that, choose the deployment type that best matches your project. Depending on your website and available options, Replit may provide different deployment methods. Finally, share your website link with visitors, clients, friends, or team members. You can continue updating the project and deploy new versions whenever needed. And that's it. That's how to deploy a website from Replit in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.